Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the AirPods Pros, and I'm also going to be talking about the channel giveaway. So if you are here just for the channel giveaway, I'm going to put a time slot in the description below so you could just skip to that if you want to just get those details. But if you're here for the unboxing, let's get straight into that. So what I have here are the AirPods Gen 2 wireless charging. We're going to use these as a comparison, and the AirPods Pros. So let's get straight into this. Oh no, I butchered it. We have managed to butcher the unboxing a little bit, although I really like the pull tab from Apple right there. But nevertheless, let's see what you get here. So, designed by Apple in California. Paperwork. Do we get stickers? Let's see. We do not get stickers, unless I'm missing something in here. But let's put the paperwork aside. Here are the AirPods Pros themselves. Before we get into this, let's see what we got in here. I believe it's the ear tips and the charging cable. Yep. So the charging cable is USB Type-C to Lightning. As many places are going to USB Type-C, this is a nice addition from Apple. We also saw this in the iPhone 11 Pro. Then here are the ear tips. Gives you different fit. Okay. Just for a second, I want to show you a real quick comparison to what you'll get in the Gen 2. So same books and everything, although a little bit different of course. You get the AirPods themselves, and in this one you get a Lightning to USB Type A. So, not much of a huge difference, but just wanted to show you guys. I'll do a quick sound comparison with the Gen 2 to the AirPods Pro, so you guys could have an idea on what I think sounds a lot better, or is the money worth it or not. Alright, so back into the AirPods Pro. So there we go. Here we are. Okay, I'm going to put these here just for a reference point. I'm going to get my iPhone to pair them. Here we are. Okay. So just like the regular AirPods, you just do this to pair them, and they connect right here. Okay. So these, just right off the bat, feel a lot smaller than the second generation ones, and let me get that out for you just to show you. They are significantly, I'm sure a lot of you have seen this already, but wow, I didn't know it was this much smaller. It feels significant. It makes these almost look a little clunkier, but they're still really nice earpods. So let's get into these now with a sound. I'm going to try them on, and we're going to go into the settings. We have noise cancellation on, and I could tell that right away because everything kind of just stopped around me. I wonder if I'm even talking a little louder because of it. I'm not completely sure, but I'll try not to. But let's see the ear tip fit test. Okay. Alright, it said that I have a good seal, so now we're just gonna test the sound quality real quickly. We'll go Spotify. Okay, we just tested the AirPods Pro and they sound really good. We're gonna do the same song really quickly with the regular AirPods, just so I can see the difference for you guys. Right away, you can tell that your surroundings are still very present. Okay, so we're going to test this now with the regular AirPods. Okay, so here are my first initial thoughts. They sound a lot better on the bass. Obviously, the active noise canceling is pretty good as well. I think that these are really good, truly wireless earphones, and Apple seemed to improve them a lot from the previous model. But it does come at a cost, of course. It's $250. So, in comparison to its competition, that's where you're going to have to decide, should I get something else? I'm going to get the Galaxy Buds Plus very soon, and I'm going to do a comparison between those two. They should not really be compared since these cost $100 more, but we're going to see what Samsung has. Finally, I just want to do a quick transparency mode and stuff. Okay, when it's off, you can hear stuff around you. On transparency mode, it's almost like a hearing aid. That's interesting. You can hear things amplified, which would be very nice for, when you want to talk to somebody but still have these in, don't want to take them out. You just do the little hold here to switch between modes. If you want to put transparency in, obviously, you can press and change your settings. Noise cancellation, noise control, off, Siri, whatever you want. It's customizable in there. My first impressions of these are they are very good. Are they worth the price is another question, but I'm going to have to do some long-term use to see how much I actually like using these. Okay, thank you for watching, and we're going to get on to the giveaway details now. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the AirPods Pro unboxing video. I know it wasn't very comprehensive, but I needed a video to make with this giveaway announcement. So we are doing a subscriber count giveaway. And at 100 subscribers, which we're a little over halfway there, I'm going to give a few pairs of the fake AirPods that I unboxed and tested in another video. At 250 subscribers, we're going to give a pair of Galaxy Buds and a couple gift cards, maybe Xbox or PlayStation, Google Play, whatever you guys want. At 500 subscribers, we're going to do a Q&A. We're going to give a real pair of AirPods, probably the second generation wireless ones. At 750 subscribers, we're going to do an iPad. I think we're going to do the 7th generation one. It's very good with the iPad OS, and it's a nice little thing for college students like me. At 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a mid-range phone. So I'm thinking either the iPhone 9 that's soon to be released or the Pixel 4a. Now all you need to do to enter is be subscribed and comment on the video after I hit the milestone. I'm going to make it show in the description that this is the case, and you can also follow on Twitter, and I will make it very clear on there what to do as well. In order for you to claim this giveaway, all you have to do is be able to message me on Twitter. You don't have to follow or anything, so don't worry about that. Just be able to DM me and show a picture that you are indeed subscribed, and then I'll get your information and send you the giveaway item. If you have any other questions, just feel free to message me on Twitter. I'll always have my DMs open and everything, so don't be afraid to send a message my way. The last thing I want to mention is that these giveaway items are probably subject to change just based upon when I hit these milestones. Maybe there's going to be a more updated phone at that time. Maybe if I get lucky, somehow the phone won't even come out. Like, I do not expect to hit 1,000 subscribers by the time the iPhone 9 or Pixel 4a are out, but let's say it happens, then I'll have to adjust. Okay, thank you for watching, and subscribe if you're new, and comment down below. I answer all comments, would love to interact with all of you. Just feel free. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. And peace, guys.